Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change the control center's layout on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, knowing how to change the control center's layout gives you greater control over your device interface, allowing you to customize it to suit your individual preferences and needs, ultimately improving your overall user experience. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Control Center on your device. Well, and here look for pencil icon and tap on it. After that, you will find two options, whether if you want to edit the full part or top part. So, select one of them. Then, here you can move the usable tools to this section and remove unusable tools to the other section. Okay, after finishing, click down here to save changes. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change the control center's layout on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.